Hello, hello, and welcome to this uh, video on regular expressions of Python. So make sure that you watch the video to the end to understand different examples. We will not do a lot of examples, these are short videos. There will be many parts of regular expressions. I have already recorded two. So if you have not watched them, please go and watch them in the playlist. So let's get started. Suppose we have a text ABC123XYZ and we want to match letters only if they are followed by digits. This is known as look ahead. If you want to match something followed by something, then you call this positive look ahead. So our pattern is, you see A to Z and A to Z here, plus that means one or more. Now we use inside parenthesis question mark is equal to. This is the operator for, not really operator in true sense. This is what we use question mark is equal to perform positive look ahead. Then we have backslash d plus. So what it essentially means is match letters only if they are followed by digits. So what it will match is ABC, because ABC is followed by 1 to 3. D plus is 1 or more. Similarly, we have negative look ahead. So in this example, instead of question mark is equal to, we have question mark followed by exclamation mark. So it will match digits only if they are not followed by letters. So the regular expression in this case is different. We want to match digits. So we put backslash d plus first and followed by letters. So that is A to Z, small ones and capital ones. So what it will match is 1, 2 will be matched because 3 is followed by digit. But 1 and 2 are not followed, 3 was followed by letters. But 1 and 2 are not followed by letters. So it will match 1, 2. Next we have another string, ha, 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 ha. So in this case, our regular expression matches ha space 2 times. So it will match up to here. And then we have an extra ha over here. So it will also match the third ha ha ha. That's what it will match. What we have done in this case is we have used question mark colon operator. So what it does is that in the groups there will be nothing. The parenthesis won't capture any group. For example, let me put this over here also. Say over here. Okay. So you'll see there will be group in this case. But here there will be no group. Another example could be, suppose we have a text running runner runs and our pattern is run, and then we have another no capture grouping ning s. So it is running with the first option, runner with the second, and runs with the third option. So again you will see that it's the similar regex to this, and it won't match anything in the group. Okay. Now another regex is key value pairs. Suppose you have a string of key value pairs and you want to find the keys and values. So what we can do is we can write question mark p within the angular brackets key backslash w plus, and you group this, and then you have question mark p and within brackets you say value. Now both the key and values are w plus, that is alphanumeric string, and you will see it will print foo foo, bar, baj and xx. The next is a1b p2. Okay, I don't want this. Oops, I do not need this. Okay. So next we have A1, B, C2. So letter is A to Z and uh, digit is our 1 and 2. So let's delete this also. Okay. So it will match A1 and C2. Okay, because that is what is there. And then we have a date validation pattern. Now, this is the simplest possible pattern. It is not correct for the day ranges in the month. It is incorrect for that. For example, you could have April of 30 days, 31 days. You could have June of 31 days. It will not work for that. Even you can have, I think, February for 31 days. So it is a very simple regex, but it will work for most of the dates, but some cases are not there. And certainly it will not match for leap year. I mean, it will match for leap year, but there is problem involved in this case because February will also match for 30 and 31 and 29 on and on leap years. So let's see how it works. So first there is a non-capturing group backslash d4 which will match y, followed by 0, 1 to 9. So 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3 up to 0, 9 will match, and then 1 with 0, 1, 2. So 11, 12, 10, 11, 12. The 0, 1 to 0, 9 will match the month from January to September. 10, 11 and 12 will match month from October, November and December, and the last portion will match the day. So it will match 0, 1 to 0, 9, and then we have days DD, right? 1 or 2, and so this is the optional group, and then we have finally 30 and 31. Okay, so let's see this in action, that how this works. Let me open a terminal and we run this. Okay, I have already run this. Okay, forget it, it's not in the history. So we call this regex3.py. So you see, in this case, B is not followed by a digit, so it does not match. Now if you see, the first regex matched ABC, the second regex matched 1, 2. The third regex did not have any groups, even though it matched ha ha ha. Running runner runs does not match, sorry, I mean it matches 3 times, but it does not capture groups. Then we split key value pairs, foo, barbage, xx, and a1, c2. And similarly for dates, you see it matches the 28 December. It matches 13, it does not match. 13 month, it does not match. 00 month does not match. And 29th April matches. But as I say, if you put 29 here, it should still work. Let's see. See, it is still true, which is wrong. So this regex, even though wrong, it will give probably, I would say, 355 or something correct results out of 365. So that's very high accuracy. So we will see in the next video how to do complicated regex matchup perfect regex, how we do, and we will see some more complex regex. I am stopping this video here, and if you have found this video useful and informative, make sure to like the video and share it. And if you are not a subscriber, please subscribe. And you are free to share this on social media or anywhere you want. So with this, we come to the end of this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Happy programming.